Stellantis is furloughing 3,800 workers, halting production of the Alfa Romeo Tonale, and possibly permanently retiring the model after its refresh. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where Stellantis is facing yet another patch in Europe, with dwindling demand forcing the automaker to hit the brakes on production at 6 of its factories. The timing is far from ideal because the company has already posted a $2.65 billion net loss in the first half of the year and is bracing for a further $791 million blow from tariffs introduced by President Donald Trump in the second half. Now, the scale of the pause highlights how sharply demand has slowed. Production of the Fiat Panda at the Pomigliano plant near Naples will stop between September 29th and October 6th. The same factory that builds the Alfa Romeo Tonale and its lines will remain idle for longer, from September 29th through October 10th. In total, around 3,800 workers will be furloughed while the site is shut down. Now, Bloomberg reports that this disruption will spread even wider, reaching Stellantis' plant in Poland, 2 Spanish facilities, and its site in Germany. It marks one of the broadest slowdowns the group has faced in its European operations this year. Now, in a statement, Stellantis explained that it is adopting the rhythm in production in some of its plants in Europe to balance output with market conditions. The company said the aim is to manage inventory carefully before the end of the year while responding to weaker demand. Now, the numbers underline the challenge, though. The first 7 months of the year, Stellantis registrations fell in Europe by 8% to 1.19 million units. It is also acknowledged that President Donald Trump's tariffs have impacted here in the U.S. demand for the Alfa Romeo Tonale. Stellantis added that the halted production of the Panda coincides with the general decline in orders expected from fleets and rental car companies in the final part of the year. Now, with the Alfa Romeo Tonale soon receiving a restyling, as evidenced by the numerous sightings of the camouflage prototype, complete with spy photos and leaks that I've shared in recent weeks, this is scheduled for hopefully late this year or early next year in 2026, and it will be a subtle update focusing primarily on the front end, but there could also be some surprises in store for the interior, the trim levels, and the wheels. Now, this is a way to make the SUV that launched back in 2022 more contemporary and therefore more competitive in its market segment, which is among the busiest of all. But the restyling of the Alfa Romeo Tonale, however, could be a sort of a swan song for the C-segment SUV. In fact, it is rumored that in a couple of years or so, the often controversial model could be permanently retired. In its place, a new model could arrive, produced at the Melfi plant, but it is likely to have a different name, harking back to the long history of the Alfa Romeo brand. It is possible that the two models could coexist in a Milanese manufacturer's lineup for some time, given that they will be quite differently aesthetically. But the future successor of the Alfa Romeo Tonale could have a much sportier and much aerodynamic style than the current Tonale, hence the yet unofficial decision of its change to name. Now, the new model could be built on the Stella Medium platform, which is approximately 4.6 meters long and will be available in both all-electric and combustion engine version. Now, there could also certainly be room for a top-of-the-line quadrifoglio version, but we're not exactly sure. But with that said, what do you guys think about tariffs, market condition, and everything that's going on in Stellantis when it comes to halting production of these plants? Drop those comments down below. And what do you guys think that this means for the next generation Tonale? Will this be the final one under this nameplate? Drop those comments. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, well, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, but also make sure you guys check the links in the description if you want to help further support the channel. Appreciate that love per usual. Thank you so much, guys. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch and subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.